This trend is everywhere on TikTok right now, making millions of views. I've built a Claude Code still that generates this video and posts them everywhere automatically. One command. Let me show you how it works. C'est parti. So first we are going to type in the terminal, for example, create 10 videos of giant animals. And from there, the skill is going to create the prompt database and keep them in an output folder in the skill. It's going to define the camera point of view, the environment, the type of animal, for example, a spider. Then it's going to generate the 10 videos in parallel using Kling AI, which is the best model that I have found for that, using the key AI CLI that I have also created. Then Gemini is going to analyze each frame to detect if we have some dead intros, and then we are going to cut these dead intros using FFmpeg. Then we are going to create the captions in yellow impact bold using Pillow and FFmpeg, and that will be burned into the video. Then we want to publish them, but we want to choose which one. So we are going to have a human in the loop to choose the videos. And we are going to use Blotato to automatically assemble the videos that we want to merge for the YouTube short and to post directly in TikTok and YouTube. So for example, we will say post video 135 on TikTok, I'll assemble them and post this on YouTube. And it's going even to auto schedule to avoid any problem of shadow ban on TikTok. C'est parti. And this is how it looks in the terminal. So first we type this command, and from there is going to generate the prompts and create the out folder, and then is going to write all these prompts, and from there is going to generate the videos in parallel and continue this work. So here in the output folder from our skill, we can see all the generated prompts. We can also see the scan frame. So for example, on this one, we can see that the first creature on frame appears only after 2 seconds. So we need to trim it because the first frame decides if someone keeps scrolling or swipe away. We can also see all the generated videos and watch them to decide which one we want to publish. And of course, here we have our skill with the name, description, objective, prerequisite. So we need the key CLI that I have created that you can get here. The link is in the description. And then we have our phase. First generate the prompts, then generate the videos, then upload them to a temporary URL, then scan the frame with Gemini, and then auto trim, human in the loop to choose the videos, and then caption, and then montage and publish with Blotato. Then here in the reference folder, we have some prompt engineering rules and also some examples, for example, for giant animals of prompts that works, and you can create a video and take the prompt and put it there to improve your engine as you create more videos. And you can create other type of video, for example, for puppies. I have another one with one example. And now I'm using to use Blotato to post this video to TikTok and to YouTube. I could also post to many other places because Blotato is a fantastic tool to create content and to post it and to distribute it to any channel we want. So for that, we need first to go to the settings, and in the settings we are going to connect our account. So I have already connected TikTok, LinkedIn and to YouTube channel, because we can also connect LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, Blue Sky. So for example, if I go to Twitter that I have not connected, is going to say authorize app, and now we also have X Twitter connected, and it's as simple as that for each account. Then now, as we are using this with Claude Code in a skill, we need to connect it with the API and the MCP. And this is super simple. We go here to API and we can see that Blotato in Claude Code and Cowork, we just have copy the setup command, and in the setup command, the API is already included. And from there, we go to our terminal and we just need to paste that and enter, and it's going to install the MCP. So now if I go to Claude and I go to the MCP command, we can see that Blotato is here and connected. So now we can go and publish. So I escape here and I'm going to ask, can you post the Scorpio, the snake and the tentacle videos to TikTok, then assemble them and post them to YouTube as a short and private. Okay, so he's loading the post social skill and we see that he's loading the Blotato MCP and listing the accounts. It's uploading to temporary files the trim version when they are available. And as you can see, it's going to schedule the post at the right time. Okay, now he has the 2 YouTube channels and I have not said on which one we have to upload, but he understands that this is the English channel since the captions are in English. So this is very, very smart. Okay, so TikTok is scheduled 3 hours apart and the short is posted on YouTube. And as you can see, our video is here on YouTube with the description and here's the video link, so everything works. And here is our skill, post social, very simple, name, description, and phase 1 resolve input, phase 2 compile if compile, so when we want to merge the videos, and then post to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever we ask, and phase 4 report. I share skills like that for free in my AI Alchemist community. The link is below and you can download everything from this video. To use them, you need several things. You need a Blotato account to post. You need a Key AI API to use Kling 3.0. You can also use Kling directly, but I have created a CLI that you can find here, and the link is also below, that allows you to use Kling VO3 or Nano Banana all unified. And with the CLI, you can use it inside the skill or in natural language. You also need a Gemini API key, and of course you need Claude Code. All the links are in the description. And this is the result. From zero to posted on TikTok and YouTube with no editing and no manual uploads. And you can get this skill for free in the AI Alchemist community. The link is in the description. And if you want me to build something like this for your business, you can book a free strategy call. The link is also in the description. And finally, if my content helped you out, please subscribe, like, drop me a comment and let me know which skills you want me to build in the next video. À bientôt!